Welcome back to Tech Facts. If you're tired of battling stubborn wrinkles or struggling with outdated irons, this video is just for you. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best steam irons of 2025, carefully selected to make your ironing faster, easier, and more efficient. From powerful professional-grade models to cordless designs that offer ultimate freedom, these irons are packed with smart features like rapid heat-up, vertical steaming, anti-drip technology, and scratch-resistant sole plates. Whether you need an affordable option for everyday use or a high-performance iron for heavy fabrics, we've got something for every household. Each pick is reviewed with performance, durability, and convenience in mind, so you can find the perfect match for your needs. Stay tuned as we break down the best steam irons of 2025 that will completely transform your ironing experience. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Durathon 19803 Steam Iron. For durability and long-lasting performance, the Hamilton Beach Durathon 19803 is a solid choice in 2025. Built with a Durathon sole plate that's 4 times more durable than stainless steel, this iron promises years of smooth gliding and resistance to scratches. It delivers steady, powerful steam output that penetrates deep into fabrics, ensuring crisp results even on stubborn wrinkles. With vertical steam functionality, it doubles as a garment steamer, letting you refresh hanging clothes or curtains with ease. Despite its professional-level performance, it's very user-friendly thanks to an adjustable steam control, anti-drip technology, and a self-cleaning system that reduces scale buildup. Another highlight is its affordable price, making it a great option for those who want efficiency without spending too much. The Hamilton Beach Durathon proves that you don't need to invest in a premium brand to get reliable, long-lasting results. Practical, tough, and effective, this steam iron is designed to simplify everyday ironing tasks while standing the test of time. Number 4. PurSteam Steam Burst Plus, PurSteam Professional Grade 1700W. If you're searching for outstanding value without sacrificing performance, the PurSteam Steam Burst Plus is the one to consider. This professional-grade steam iron packs 1,700 watts of power, delivering continuous steam and a powerful burst mode that makes quick work of wrinkles. The non-stick ceramic sole plate ensures smooth gliding across different fabrics while preventing burns or snags. One of its standout features is versatility. It comes with multiple steam settings, so whether you're working on delicate silk or heavy cotton, you get just the right amount of heat and steam. The anti-drip design keeps clothes spotless, while the self-cleaning system makes maintenance effortless. Affordable yet efficient, the PurSteam Steam Burst Plus offers performance usually found in higher-end irons, but at a budget-friendly price point. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and even includes a vertical steam option, perfect for quick touch-ups. For households that want a reliable and economical ironing solution, this steam iron delivers impressive results day after day. Number 3. Rowenta Pro Master XL/DW8360U1. The Rowenta Pro Master XL DW8360U1 is a steam iron built for precision and premium results, making it a favorite for anyone who wants their clothes to look freshly pressed from the cleaners. With 400+ micro steam holes across its stainless steel sole plate, it delivers exceptionally even steam distribution. That means every stroke eliminates wrinkles faster while protecting fabrics from hot spots. Its precision tip allows you to navigate around collars, pleats, and seams with ease, while the vertical steaming mode transforms it into a handy steamer for curtains or delicate garments on hangers. Backed by strong steam bursts and an anti-calc system, it stays consistent over time without losing performance. The Pro Master XL is also equipped with a smart thermostat dial, ensuring fabrics from silk to cotton are cared for properly. Durable, stylish, and engineered for heavy use, this Rowenta model proves why it's a go-to option for those who demand reliable, professional-level ironing at home. Number 2. Tefal Ultimate Pure FV9845. When it comes to raw power and durability, the Tefal Ultimate Pure FV9845 is a steam iron that really stands out in 2025. This iron boasts an impressive 3,100 watts of power, delivering continuous steam that slices through wrinkles with ease. What makes it unique is Tefal's microscale filter technology, which ensures only pure steam touches your clothes, preventing scale and maintaining long-lasting performance. With a steam boost of up to 240 G/min, even the toughest creases on thick fabrics like denim or linen don't stand a chance. The auto-clean soleplate glides smoothly and resists build-up, keeping maintenance low and results consistent. You'll also appreciate its precision tip, perfect for reaching around buttons and collars with accuracy. Designed with both heavy-duty and everyday ironing in mind, the ultimate Pure FV9845 brings professional-grade power into your home. It's reliable, efficient, and packed with smart features that make ironing less of a chore and more of a quick, satisfying task. Number 1. Morphy Richards easyCHARGE Power Plus Cordless Iron. If you're tired of wrestling with tangled cords while ironing, the Morphy Richards easyCHARGE Power Plus Cordless Iron is designed just for you. This iron combines the freedom of cordless convenience with powerful steam performance that makes tackling wrinkles fast and effortless. It charges up in just 25 seconds on its base, giving you enough steam power to glide smoothly over shirts, trousers, or even bed linens without interruption. The ceramic sole plate heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, making sure fabrics stay protected while still achieving crisp, professional results. Its continuous steam function is perfect for everyday garments, while the powerful burst of steam works wonders on stubborn creases. The easyCHARGE Power Plus also has a vertical steaming option, making it versatile for refreshing hanging clothes or curtains. Add to this the lightweight design, auto shut-off safety, and generous water tank capacity, and you've got a cordless iron that delivers convenience without compromise. It's truly a modern ironing solution for busy households that value both performance and flexibility. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best steam irons of 2025. Each of these irons brings something unique, whether it's cordless convenience, professional power, or unbeatable value for everyday use. No matter your ironing needs, one of these options will make your laundry routine faster and easier. Don't forget, all the products featured in this video are available in the description below for you to check out. If you enjoyed this roundup, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Facts, and comment your favorite choice. We'd love to hear from you.